Hello everyone, hope you all good. So in today's video, let's try to give a clean and professional look for our Windows desktop. So let's get it started. So here, my desktop is little clumsy with files, application icons and folders. So now let's clean it up. So right click on the desktop and choose view show desktop icons. So uncheck the button over there, so which will hide all the icons. Now the files and folders are just hidden, not deleted. Now let's customize taskbar. Right click on the taskbar, it shows the details of the icons displayed. So now uncheck the icons one by one. Likewise, we can hide all the unwanted icons from the taskbar. Next, so the search box is taking a lot of space in the taskbar. So we can change this search box into a search icon, and here it is how. Let's change the taskbar button size now. So click on the taskbar setting. So you will see an option called use small taskbar button. So click it on. Now the taskbar button size changes. This taskbar setting is also giving the other options to choose your theme color, accent color, etc. So here click on the colors theme. So there you will see the dark theme or the light theme. So you can choose one. I choose dark here. So as I choose dark, I chose accent color as black, so which will coincide very well with the dark theme. So likewise, you can change the accent and the theme of your PC. So likewise, this is also allowing us to change the font size. So here you can see different fonts there. You just have to click on it and click drag and drop on the top section, so that it will apply to your PC. So clicking on it will also give you the chance to change your font size. So here you can see the different font sizes: regular, black, bold, italic, so whatever it's applicable for that font size in the package. And you should also make sure whether this option is enabled in your PC. So under the taskbar section, you will see combined taskbar button which says always hide label. So when you choose different options, like when taskbar is full, so it will display the name of the application that's currently open. So if you always hide the label, it will not show the name of the application. Next, let's enter the icon in the taskbar. So here we need to choose toolbar, and under toolbar we can click on the links. So now the links is enabled. You can see it in the taskbar. So now we have to unlock the taskbar which is locked. So we have to click on the lock the taskbar option in the pop-up, so we can unlock the taskbar. So once the links are enabled, we have to scroll them to the left end so that we can push the icons to the right end. So you can see it over here. So we are trying to push the links to the left end. So now you can see the icons appears on the right end. So once the icons appeared in the right end, you will be able to center them very easily. So once the icons are centered, now we just have to work on making this links label disappear. So to make it happen, so click on show title again, so that the links will go away. Now you have to lock the taskbar again, so that you don't give the option to move away these icons again. If you need, you can also disable the Cortana and the task view in the taskbar, which will give you more space for other icons as well. And finally, I applied my wallpaper. Here how it looks. I chose my wallpaper from Pexel and Unsplash. So Pexel and Unsplash were two websites which is providing free stock images or pictures for many developers. So I'll choose a sample picture and set it as a background for my Windows desktop. So as I chose a dark theme, I'm choosing the picture related to the dark theme. So the dark pictures. Wow, this looks good. Okay, I'll pick this one. So most of the pictures were free. We just have to download them directly. So I'll set this one as my background right now. Great. So now we have to set it as a background. So, and here how it looks. We have almost completed everything, but still this mouse pointer is in white color. So we are going to change it now by mouse setting. So click on additional mouse options over there. We can change the mouse pointer appearance by selecting the different options available in schema. So we are selecting Windows black. The mouse pointer appearance also changed now. Now it looks perfect as a tag theme.